I never did that to you! Hi guys, my name is Marije.
And my name is Quinty.
And you're watching a new challenge. And I see a lot of bath bombs over here, so I'm very curious what's in that envelope.
I got the answer.
Tell me.
What's the challenge we're gonna do today? Is the You're the Bomb bowling challenge. Bowl the competition over with bath bombs. Throw them at the shower foam pins and knock them down as fast as you can.
Are you good at bowling?
I don't know. I haven't done it in a while though.
I haven't too. So we're gonna see.
We'll see.
The game is on.
Who's better? Let's start.
So, who's gonna start? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I told you. Okay, good. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Go ahead.
I'm getting ready. Okay. This is already hard. Oh! That was a good one, right?
I think that's good.
Okay.
Well,
okay, that was disappointing.
Sad.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Okay, it's your turn.
Yes, it is.
Are you ready?
I was born ready.
Oh, stop it. Yeah, you're so good at this.
This instant replay is brought to you by
Holy Moly Foaming Shower Gel.
But you have another chance. Here.
What?
5.
That's okay. So no.
Yes.
This instant replay is brought to you by
Holy Moly Foaming Shower Gel.
1. I did 1. I don't think there's any way you can win anymore.
Okay, that's perfect.
This is my last one.
Yep.
If you ruin this. You need 8 points.
Oh goodness.
I never did that to you. I am the winner. Give me a heart.
Nope.
You're happy for me.
Nope.
Can I have vodka?
Oh good.
Quinty,
Yeah.
it was a pleasure beating you with 14 points.
I got 8.
You had 8. It's
Yeah.
okay.
I really
I'm proud of
tried.
you, yeah.
I'm better at normal bowling.
Yeah, yoga.
Yeah, that's
That's not
Oh,
it.
well.
No yoga for us.
No, I'm not. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to watch the other videos on this channel and subscribe to this channel.
Yeah. Don't forget to give a like and we'll see you next time.